So all the Straumann Smart clinical content was developed in collaboration with University of Zurich, with the department I was working in or still working at. And all the textbooks, the clinical videos, all the pictures and all the medical record forms were created by us. And now I'm also enjoying being a speaker and teaching all the theoretical background and the practical hands-on exercises in these smart courses. For a dentist, there are actually two different ways to get knowledge in implant dentistry. For an unexperienced dentist, you either have the possibility to attend a postgraduate program at university, and the other way would be, as many dentists do in Switzerland, going the classical way by attending off-the-job training courses. But all these implant training courses, they are often quite superficial, only focusing on one certain aspect, specifically the surgical part. But Smart is completely different in that way, because it's not only an implant course, it's more an educational concept which comprises three important elements. One really important element is this classroom training, where all the theoretical and also the clinical aspects of a basic implant workflow is taught. And on the other hand, you have, or the audience has, the possibility to review the whole content, which is which they learned in this classroom training, afterwards refreshing on an online platform, so they can review the whole thing, clinical videos and everything, whenever they like. The third milestone from my perspective is the opportunity for the unexperienced dentist to participate in this mentoring program, which really helps him getting started in implant dentistry.